Hello, today we're showing you guys Eagle Stone's basketball scoring net and backdrop. On the back here, if you guys want to pause the video right here in case you lose your box or directions, you guys can see how to install it. Let's go ahead and set it up. Okay, there's quite a few things here to show you guys, but you get 4 basketballs. You get your net, blocks, brackets, air pump, screwdriver and screws, your rim, your counter, which we'll take a look to see what kind of batteries we need. That way you guys are familiar with what you need before it comes. And this is the basketball backdrop. Very nice looking. Of course, there's plastic on here, so peel off the plastic on the front and back. For the counter, you will need 3 AAA batteries. Alright, so it's going to go like this. You're going to stick your score right through here. And then you're going to use the screws to keep it in place. You're going to slide your net down right through here as well. So we're going to go ahead and put the screws inside here. Okay, now for screwing in these, you want to have just the screws going through the board. You don't have it like this where the metal piece is facing the front. You just want to see the screws facing. So keep that in mind. For the net, you want the red facing down. So you want the red to be facing down. Now, for the net, there's a lot of people that put this on a lot of different ways. Honestly, I've seen it put on very many ways. You guys can put it on however you want. That's going to be up to you guys. That's my personal opinion on this. What you can do is you could just loop it down around. But again, I've seen many people do this many different ways. So you guys can play with it, see what you want to do. But it's not that hard to put it on. So even if whatever way you decide to go with, just loop it around. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and take this tool here, thread this on, and we're going to inflate these basketballs just like this. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and turn this on. Nice. Alright guys, so we actually went ahead and set it up outside. We can use the blocks then to angle it more if we want. Oh! So guys, overall, it's a lot of fun.